Now let's discuss about a cube. What is a cube and how do we derive from a cuboid? We have discussed the various properties in a cuboid, the total surface area and the lateral surface area. Now comes how we can take a cube as a special case of a cuboid. Today's session is about cube as this three-dimensional solid figure. We all have come across the Rubik's Cube, the one through which we solve the game. A Rubik's Cube is a perfect cube because it has all its sides equal. So what is the special case? So we say that a cuboid whose all its sides are equal, such a cuboid is called a special name called a cube. So if I have all the sides being equal, then this is a cube because it has all its sides equal. This is an example of a cube because say this side is A, this side is A, and this side is A. Its length, its width, and its height are all equal in length. So we can define a cube as seen here with the dotted region. A cube is a special cuboid in which all its sides are equal in length. If you take the example of the length of this is not equal to length of this, or the length of this is not equal to length of this, or the length of this is not equal to length of this. So this cannot be a cube because a cube has a special case, is a special cuboid in which all its sides are equal in length. This length must be equal to this length, must be equal to this length. All its lengths must be equal. Only then we call the given cuboid to be a cube. A Rubik's Cube is one of the example. We all know what a Rubik's Cube is. So such a solid figure is given by the name cube. Cube is a special cuboid in which all its sides are equal in length. Now let's see what is the surface area of this cube to be followed with. Let's see now the surface area of the cube. So let's take a cube as we have defined a cube to be a cuboid in which all its faces are equal. So here is the cube. And for this cube, each face are equal. So this are equal. Now for this cube of side A, we can find this total surface area or the surface area using the formula. Total surface area, or simply the surface area of a cube of side A is given by surface area of cube equals 6a square unit square. That's how we understand surface area of a cube as 6a square unit square. If I have a cube of side A, I can find the surface area by using the formula 6 times a square. Now that we have discussed about a cube and also about finding the surface area of a cube using the formula 6a square, let's see one of an example problem as the applications of surface area of a cube. This is about surface area. Now here I have a question which says, find the surface area of the following cube. So here I have a cube. And I need to find the surface area of this cube in which the side is given to be 5 centimeters. So surface area of the cube. So how do we find surface area of this cube? We have the formula directly, where first I identify that my A is 5 centimeters. So using A equals 5 centimeters, surface area of the given cube is 6a square, formula 6 times a square, which is 5 square, and 5 5 is 25. 25 is 6, which is 150. Therefore, surface area of a cube of side 5 centimeters is given to be 150 centimeters square. Is how we understand the surface area of a cube of side 5 centimeters is 150 centimeter square. Applications of surface area of a cube through an example problem. Now that we have discussed about total surface area of a cube, now comes the question on lateral surface area of a cube. As we have seen the definition of lateral surface to be the area of each of the faces which are on the side, excluding the top and bottom faces. Let's apply the same concept of the cuboid into the cube. Lateral surface area. So what is a lateral surface area of a cube? So let's take the diagram. Here is the cube. So let's see the area of this cube with side A, the lateral surface area of this cube with side A. Clearly we see that there are 4 faces excluding the top and bottom face, which makes the lateral surface area. So each of the faces is a square, therefore as we take the dotted region, there are 4 squares of side A which make the lateral surface area. So totally there are 4 squares which make the lateral surface area, and each of the square has the area A square, so 4 times of A square would be the lateral surface area. That's how we understand the lateral surface area of a cube. Therefore, lateral surface area of a cube of side A units is 4 times of area of each square, which is 4A square. That's how we get, because area of square is A square. Therefore, LSA of a cube is 4A square unit square, lateral surface area of a cube. Now that we have discussed about lateral surface area of a cube, let's try to apply in a problem. So applications of lateral surface area of a cube. So if I have a cube So here is a cube of side 7 meters, and my question is, find the lateral surface area of a cube of side 7 meters. So here is a cube of side 7 meters with all sides being equal. Now we need to find the lateral surface area. Now 7 meters is the A which I identified. So my side A is 7 meters and lateral surface area of a cube is given by lateral surface area of a cube is 4 times of A square, is what we have seen as the formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 faces or the 4 squares which are taken into consideration. So let's see how we can add up. Now that we know the value of A is 7, I just substitute the value of A, which is this 7 sevens 49 meter square is what we get. So here the lateral surface area of this cube is 196 meter square. Therefore LSA of a given cube of side 7 meters is 196 meters square. This is what we get. The lateral surface area of this cube of side 7 meters is 196 meters square. Is how we conclude the applications of lateral surface area for solving the problems.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.